Tired of struggling to make profits? Watch this video to learn how to set up a powerful indicator that can help you generate consistent income. This version maintains the focus on the key message, emphasizing the potential of the indicator to improve trading performance. It also avoids using statistics like 80% of people to make the claim more credible. The ability to identify and profit from market trends with two straightforward indicators, the RSI and trend lines. These powerful tools provide clear signals to guide your trading decisions. Uptrend, riding the green wave. Look for the RSI to cross from below to above zero and stay above zero. This, along with green candles and a rising green trend line, indicates an uptrend. Buy when these conditions align. Downtrend, capitalizing on falling prices. When the RSI crosses from above to below zero and stays below zero, red candles appear, and a descending red trend line forms, a downtrend is signaled. Sell when these conditions are present. Identifying buy trade opportunities. When the RSI indicator moves above zero levels and continues its upward trajectory, coupled with green candles on the main chart, it signals an uptrend. This upward momentum is further reinforced by the RSI approaching the zero level, indicating strong support. Executing buy trades. With the support line holding firm and the RSI indicating upward momentum, a buy trade can be executed. Place the stop loss order just below the green support line to limit potential losses. Profit booking. As the RSI approaches the overbought zone, signifying a potential retracement, it's time to book profits. This strategy ensures timely profit capture while minimizing risk. Before going into more details, let's see how to install Trend Indicator to our chart. Locate the search box within TradingView's chart interface. Enter CME/MA trend bars in the search box. Click on the CME/MA trend bars option from the displayed search results. This will add the indicator to your chart. Observe the CME/MA trend bars indicator appearing on your chart. Since it comes with default settings, no further adjustments are necessary. The RSI indicator provides valuable insights into potential sell signals. However, it's crucial to distinguish between genuine sell signals and false ones. A sell signal is considered false when it occurs immediately after a sharp upward price movement. In such cases, the market is likely to consolidate or retrace, invalidating the initial sell signal. A genuine sell signal emerges when the market has stabilized and the RSI indicator crosses below zero. This, coupled with red candles on the main chart, indicates a downtrend. The red line acts as a resistance level, providing a reference point for executing sell trades. With the RSI indicating a downtrend and the price approaching the resistance line, a sell trade can be executed. Place the stop loss order just above the red resistance line to limit potential losses. As the RSI continues to move downwards, signaling further bearish momentum, it's time to book profits. This strategy ensures timely profit capture while minimizing risk. Now you see a new situation has been created in the market. The RSI indicator's movement across the zero level often signifies a shift in market momentum. However, it's important to interpret this signal in conjunction with other market indicators and price action. The appearance of green candles after the RSI's zero level crossing suggests a potential uptrend. This could be an opportunity to enter a buy trade. Before executing any trade, carefully consider the potential stop loss level. A small stop loss indicates a favorable risk to reward ratio, making the trade more attractive. The RSI indicator can also serve as a guide for determining profit booking levels. When the RSI reaches the 60 level, it suggests an overbought condition, signaling a potential retracement. Profit booking can be considered around this level. By utilizing the RSI indicator's overbought and oversold signals, you can effectively time your trade exits, protecting profits and managing risk. Now let's see how we made our setup. I am already now the trend indicator installation. Now we have to apply another indicator on the chart. Locate the search box within TradingView's chart interface. Enter RSI in the search box. Click on the Relative Strength Index option from the displayed search results. This will add the indicator to your chart. Access the Style tab in the Indicator Settings panel. Uncheck the box next to Show RSI to hide the RSI values from the chart. Change the color of the RSI line to your preference. You can select any color from the available options or enter a custom color code. Click the OK button to apply the selected settings. The RSI indicator will now appear on your chart with the applied customizations. With the CME/MA trend bars indicator and the customized RSI indicator both applied to your chart, your setup is now complete. To fully benefit from this powerful trading strategy, especially when using it on short time frames, it's essential to choose a broker with exceptionally low spreads and reliable execution. I strongly recommend IC Markets, a leading broker that consistently provides tight spreads and direct market access. By signing up with IC Markets using my exclusive link, you'll not only enjoy the benefits of low spreads and seamless trading but also gain access to a wealth of educational resources and personalized support. Embrace the power of this incredible trading strategy and elevate your trading experience with IC Markets. Link in a description. Join now. While the RSI and CME/MA trend bars indicators provide valuable insights, they can sometimes generate false signals. To address this issue, we'll introduce the Swing Arm ATR, Average True Range, indicator, which can help filter out these false signals. Adding the Swing Arm ATR indicator. Access the Indicators tab located at the top of the TradingView interface. In the search bar within the Indicators tab, type Swing Arm ATR. Click on the Swing Arm ATR option from the displayed search results. This will add the indicator to your chart. Now customizing the Swing Arm ATR indicator. Access Indicator Settings panel for the Swing Arm ATR indicator. In the Style tab, uncheck the box next to Sum to remove the summation line from the chart. Navigate to the Inputs tab. Modify the ATR period value to 200 and the ATR factor value to 8. Click the OK button to apply the customized settings. The Swing Arm ATR indicator will now appear on your chart with the applied adjustments. The Swing Arm ATR indicator provides valuable signals that can be used in conjunction with the RSI and CME/MA trend bars indicators to filter out false signals. A green Swing Arm ATR indicator line signifies an uptrend, favoring buy trades. A red Swing Arm ATR indicator line signals a downtrend, favoring sell trades. Combining Swing Arm ATR signals with RSI and CME/MA trend bars indicators enhances signal filtering. The Swing Arm ATR indicator provides trend confirmation for trading signals. Disregarding Swing Arm ATR signals can lead to false trades and losses. Combining Swing Arm ATR signals with other indicators enhances signal filtering. Now, I'm going to test this strategy. After backtesting this trading strategy on the Euro-USD currency pair using a 5-minute time frame, the results are remarkable. Win rate, 83%. Gain on account, 206%. Risk per trade, 2%. These backtesting results demonstrate the potential profitability of this strategy. To fully benefit from this powerful trading strategy, especially when using it on short time frames, it's essential to choose a broker with exceptionally low spreads and reliable execution. I strongly recommend IC Markets, a leading broker that consistently provides tight spreads and direct market access. By signing up with IC Markets using my exclusive link, you'll not only enjoy the benefits of low spreads and seamless trading but also gain access to a wealth of educational resources and personalized support. Embrace the power of this incredible trading strategy and elevate your trading experience with IC Markets. Link in a description. Join now. Share this video with your friends, colleagues, and fellow traders to empower others with this powerful trading strategy. Together, we can elevate the trading community and guide individuals towards informed financial decisions.